Guys, like many of you, I've got the Hero camera, the GoPro Hero camera, and I'm really proud of it. But somehow during my skiing vacation, I broke this part, and I couldn't um, attach it to my favorite mounts and accessories. So I decided for a way to fix. I came with an idea to cut everything under this line and glue a part that has two legs, like the actual GoPro. So I cut it using a Dremel tool, like this one, and you can use a cutting wheel like that. And then when it is cut, you can sand it with a sanding wheel to make it more um, to make it better for gluing. And then you can clean it using rubbing alcohol or isopropyl alcohol. Then when it is clean and dry, you can glue it in place with epoxy adhesive. You can see many examples of two-part epoxy glue. You can see all of them work. They're like $5 or so if you don't have one. And then to protect your camera while gluing, you can use some electrical tape like this to cover it so you don't glue your camera. The end result will look like this. I'm just kidding. Just cover it where it is black, so only this part is exposed. And then for the actual part, it is 3D printed, so it will fit perfectly. It is 3D printed by Shapeways, a very good website. So type in GoPro repair mount for housing. I've already done that. Or GoPro repair mount. The first part that opens is GoPro repair mount for housing, which is what you need by the Go Parts, which is my shop. So why not look at my product? So the GoPro repair mount itself is just $6, which is not very expensive. So when you order it, it's going to be delivered for like a week or so, and when it arrives, you can glue it in place right here with epoxy glue. And when it is fully dried, remember, wait at least 2 days, it's going to be perfect. So why not give this video a like, share, or subscribe to my channel. Bye.